the science guy.
Bill Nye, the major cell parts.
Hi, I'm Bill, and I'm 9. Today, I'm going to talk to you about the major parts of the cell. First, the cell membrane controls what goes in and out of the cell. In fact, the cell plant has a cell wall. That's what makes its shape, and it prevents it from exploding. Cytoplasm is another major cell part. It is a jelly-like substance that all the cell parts float in. Mitochondria! It's what burns sugar to release energy. In fact, chloroplast makes sugar to store energy. Ribosomes make protein for the cell to use. Endoplasmic reticulum is like a hallway that helps things move around the cell. Golgi bodies are bags that transport important molecules out of the cell. Vacuoles take food into the cells, but throw away the waste. The central vacuole is what stores water and makes the cell rigid. The lysosome is a kind of vacuole that, if it's not working right or is too old, can kill the cell. DNA. It's in the nucleus and it carries the code to make the organism. RNA. It takes the code from DNA to the ribosomes. Nucleolus is what makes RNA. The nucleus is what holds the DNA and the nucleus. Some people confuse it that the nucleus is the control center, but the control center really is the DNA. Chromatin, the shape of the DNA when the cell is not dividing. Chromosomes is the shape of the DNA when the cell is about to divide. We're going to learn about two different kinds of cells.
The plant cell and the animal cell.
This is an animal cell.
This is a plant cell.
The difference between an animal cell and a plant cell is that the plant cell has a cell wall, chloroplast, and a vacuole. The animal cell has a nucleolus in its nucleus. The rest is the same. Now, what is cell differentiation?
Do you know the first cell you were when you were in your mom's tummy? Guess what? When the egg and the sperm got together, you start being one cell. While you are inside your mom, you will be called an embryo. And your stems will be called embryonic stem cells. An interesting fact about this, when your mom's pregnant, do you know what? You have 23 pieces of DNA from your mom and 23 pieces of DNA from your dad. After some weeks, you start to differentiate. That means your cells start having functions, or in other words, getting some jobs. But don't get confused. You won't have cells that are the same. But what is the same is the DNA inside them.
Oh.
As soon as you were born, your stem cells were called adult stem cells. And they say you had 250 different kinds of cells. It doesn't even matter that you were born, you will still be called a stem or a somatic cell. But while these are forming, this will be called cell differentiation. This process, when the cells begin to get their functions, are have their specific appearance. So, do you like cell differentiation? Did you learn a little bit about it?
Yes, I know what it is.
Thanks!
Your stem cell can convert to these things.
Bill, what's photosynthesis?
Look, during photosynthesis, sugar is produced inside the chloroplast by combining carbon dioxide and water.
Oh, I know that equation. Can I tell you?
Yeah, you can.
Well, it's carbon dioxide plus H2O, which is water, plus light, energy, and sugar, plus oxygen.
Yes, very good. So, three things enter the plant. Energy from the sunlight is used by the chloroplast to produce sugar.
Oh,
Carbon dioxide enters the plant, through the air, but it goes in through the stomata.
wow.
The plant combines water and carbon dioxide to form sugar. The water is also taken into the plant by its roots. This all happens through the chloroplast. Cellular respiration is when an animal gets oxygen and sugar. Then it transforms in the mitochondria and comes out as carbon dioxide and water. So it's like a cycle of photosynthesis and cellular respiration.
I'm going to talk about the difference between respiration and photosynthesis. Well, for photosynthesis occurs in presence when there's light, and chlorophyll in the plant. And respiration occurs almost all the time. Also, respiration releases energy from sugar. And what photosynthesis does is that it requires energy by the light to make sugar.
In photosynthesis, complex substances, sugar, are formed from simpler ones. In respiration, complex substances, sugar, are broken down into simpler ones. In photosynthesis, carbon dioxide and water are the raw materials, and also oxygen is given out. In respiration, carbon dioxide and water are the waste products. Oxygen is also taken in. Now, what is the equation of photosynthesis?
The equation of photosynthesis is carbon dioxide plus water that equals, that it's energy that makes sugar and oxygen.
Oh, I get it.
Bill, what's the respiration equation?
Look. Respiration equation is sugar plus oxygen makes energy, and energy makes carbon dioxide plus water.
Oh, now I get it.
Thanks for watching, Bill Nye the Science Guy.